Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain how to deploy this Python code in IIS. Okay, yeah, let's see. The first of all, I would like to request you guys, if you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you need any content explanation, please comment it below. So then I will create an videos on that. Yeah, that would be better to useful to everyone. Yeah, guys. Here I have created the one document for this. What are the steps to follow the deploy this Python code in the IIS? Yeah, first of all, open your control panel and go to your programs and turn window features. So, and you can also directly go to like this on turn window features on off. You can select it. Here we have to enable this internet information services. In that worldwide web services is there. So in the applications development features, in that for this Python, we have to enable this CGI. Okay, after that, click OK. After that, you have to restart your server if it is required, then otherwise leave it. Already, I have configured in this, so I can show that IIS interface. Yeah, IIS interface will be like this. After that, you have to install the Python and add this Python path in your environment variables. Like just search for this path and click double here, and you can see the Python path here. Here you can see it here. Just click this okay, and after that create a project folder. Like already I've created my project here in D drive project Python. Yeah, this is my project. This is simple code like hello world code. You can see it here. This is Python code for that. There is a two APIs. One is root endpoint and another one is hello endpoint. Here there is an web config is there. I will explain what is the use of this. After that, first let's create the environment here. Already I have created this. I'm deactivating this. For this, what you have to do, just you have to enter Python environment virtual env. You have to create one environment for this. Already I've created, so that's why I'm not executing this command. Just have to activate this. For that, I have created the documents. Let's go document sheet here. You have to create the virtual environment for the project. After that, activate that. For that, whatever your environment variable, you have to add it here and the scripts and activate command. First, in the scripts itself, there is an activate file is there. So we are activating the project here. So that's why we are using that. Just what you have to do, env script + activate is activated. After that, what you have to do, once all this done, then you have to install the packages. Whatever we are using in the project, you have to install the packages here. And after installing the packages, we have to install one more thing, wfastcgi. This is the main thing. Based on this only, this is for run the project in the production level. We have to use this wfastcgi, and after that, once we install these packages, we can verify with the help of this command like Python pip show flask. And location must be look like this after installing this wfastcgi. Okay, first let's see that, verify this. You can see it here. After that, what you have to do, we have to enable it. Open the command prompt, or like we can use here also. Just we have to enable after this wfastcgi. After installing that wfastcgi, just use this command. You can see it here. Here I am opening my command prompt emd as an administrator, and go to this folder, read this and activate this environment of this project. Wait, next wfastcgi, enable it. You can see the path like this. This is an production level of this project URL. The IIS will identify this project with help of this. Then after that, just to open the IIS here, click this window button and enter IIS and see it here. By default, there is an default website is there. Then we have to create one website. In that, we have to maintain the application, and because we can add multiple applications in the one single website. So that's why I'm saying like that. For that, just create it here, site name. For that, here I'm using this one. You can use based on your requirement. And after that, we have to give the root folder. From this folder only, we can add complete applications from this folder. This is called root folder, this one. And there is no pull. So first of all, you have to create a pull to identify this. Further, you can use this pull name, and you can change it here. In no manager code, just create it. So create it, add to a website and add this Python and select this pull. Click OK. In this, just we have to give the root folder of the projects on. Here I'm adding 5094 port. I'm running this application here. I mean this website. In that I have to add the applications here. Alias name is app and the pull is Python Apple and give the project physical path here. Python applicate here and you can see the Python complete environment we got here. After that pulls are done and then this applications also is successfully added here. After this, if you open this in the browser, we will get like this. So we have to configure this wfastcgi handler environment. For that, first of all, click this one application once. We are adding the handler mapping to this particular application. For that, just select that application and click it here. And previously, I've added this. I'm remembering right now. Here, that same thing we are adding right now. So just click it here, and the request path is star, and the module name is FastCGI, which you have enabled previously in the turn window options and executable optional. So for that, already we have created one executable link, that is this one. Just add it here, and after that you can give any name for that. Already I've given one name, so just I'm selecting that name. First restrictions and selected it. Okay. After that, go to this root server. Just click it here, FastCGI, and click this one, and you can see it here, environment variables. Just click it here. You can see these three dots here, and you have to add that like what we call wsastgi handler. You have to add environments here. Okay. For that, just select this one, click this add, and give this name. After that, give this app.app, and one more thing, Python path, project path. Okay. Now you refresh it, you will get this. Before this, once you configure this, you will get this. But sometimes in the initial level, we will get some configurations issues. For that, what you have to do, just you have to give the permissions only. Okay? For example, let's see, I will show that permissions, security. In that, you have to create two users, IIS, I users, and another one is I user. So these two permissions you have to create it here and just add it here and click OK. And after that, you have to give these permissions to this folder also, Python root folder. Okay, you can see it here. And after once it's done, one more thing, you have to give the permissions to Python. Like we can see here, Python users, Santosh, app data, local programs, Python. Here also you can see it here. You have to give those users here also. Just click OK. Okay. After this, you can see the deployed application here. But if you have any domain, then you will get with the domain only here. And after that, this is base name. After that, some endpoints like hello, like this. This is the process of deployment of Python project in the IIS server. Yeah, thank you guys. I hope you understood the process of the deployment of the Python in IIS. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and comment it below. So if you need any more information, any more deep information about this, yeah guys, thank you.